Since the dawn of man, we have been flossing.
I have spent my life traveling the world to find every flossing tool ever made. And this is what I've found.
We started with stones, bones, horsehair, and as civilization progressed, plastic took over. And today, this plastic thing is everywhere, and that makes me sad.
Because they're flimsy. You pocket one and pull it out, covered in pocket stuff.
You forget them, lose them, and one by one, they end up out there. And they are disposable, one a day, this many a year. This brought me to Sweden. Meet Flossr.
Flossr is the last flossing tool you will ever need. Made from dentist-approved stainless steel, it is built to last a lifetime. With a refillable spool built in, you have months of daily use. And it works with any floss. To load the Flossr, thread floss through the spool hole. Insert the spool, thread through the head, into the clamp, over the arms, and then back through the clamp. Raise the head to lock and cut. Fresh floss, ready to go. Flossr is hygienic by design. The closed body protects your floss between uses. It is dishwasher safe and easy to clean. And it is built for everyday carry. Sturdy, compact, and ready for your pocket, bag, or keychain.
Oh yeah, okay, so this gentleman never flossed. He got the gum disease, the heart disease, and get this dementia. So he died, not ideal. This one flossed sometimes. The bad breath, the dental bills, you know, the usual toothache. Now, this is a daily flosser. And you can tell, can't you? I mean, look at those pearly whites. I love you. Yes, I do. And I'll come back for you later, sweetheart. All right, this is great. I'm off. Oh, that's so awkward. Oh, oh, Jesus. Huh? Fascinating, but unfortunate. Don't be this guy. After everything I taught you. Saving lives. Oof. Time flies when you promote products. Now, I'm not gonna stand here and tell you that flossing will change your life, but it will. So floss and prosper, friends, and good luck with your habits. So, how do I get paid? You do emeralds, like cursed coins, crypto. How about crypto?